Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leads Flex. So that's third part of our course from basic to advanced Go High Level learning. So in this part I'm going to show you how you can make money with the Go High Level. I will show you all methods, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a marketer, whether you are a student, whether you are a part-time hustler. So you can get all the methods to make money with the Go High Level. It's a super easy. With the Go High Level you can make money. So let's dive in video and I will show you all methods step by step, and I show you some examples as well. Our first method is selling subscription. So it's a white label SaaS software. I just go to the GoHighLevel website and here I can show you. You see they offers white label service and how you can sell them and how you can customize them. I will just show you another example as well. You can just resell Go High Level subscription, make your own plan, make your own business ideas, make your own for specific business. In my case I have already customized my Go High Level, so you will get idea. And you see I customize white label complete Go High Level with my branding, with my name, and also you can see with my domain there is a no Go High Level branding here. I did all with this Go High Level backend on a Go High Level, but right now it's my own software. So it's a similar you can do with your own business, and you can sell to the customer, and you can sell your sub account. For example, you have buy one account of $497 or you have buy $297 plan, then you can resell them to 2 and 3 customer. Then your money is saved for your software, and then you can sell to more customer and more your audience, so you will get more business, and you can easily make 10 to 20k. Even people are making 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, even 10 million dollars making from Go High Level subscription selling models. It's a pure SaaS business model. So you can make software as a service, you can make your own software with Go High Level, and you can sell them to your audience. So that's the first method we are going to use with the Go High Level, and later on this video I will show you some examples as well. So our next method is free marketing services. Yeah, if you are a digital marketer, you can sell your services. You can run campaigns for your clients, provides lead generation services, you can provide funnel designing services, you can provide website services, you can provide email marketing services, you can provide SMS marketing services, even you can provide AI call agents bot as well. And you can offer your services with these all three methods. First is you can run campaigns for your client, and you can outreach your client, you offer your digital marketing services, then provide lead generation services with your software, and also you can sell your bundle of SEO and social media management, because Go High Level have their own social media management tool as well. So you can just link your all social media and then just schedule one post for all social media in a one time. So basically you have social media planner as well in a Go High Level built-in, so you can just offer your social media marketing services from this tool. You don't need to buy a separate social media planners and social media campaigns, and for Facebook ads, Google ads, you don't need to buy any software. These all tools you have in a one platform that's called Go High Level. And another method is making money with selling funnels, creating funnels. You can design your own funnel, and you can later on sell the templates on a Go High Level, and also you can sell the templates to other market as well, because it's a new in the market and you have zero competition right now. You can just design awesome. If you are a designer, if you have good skill on a CSS and you know how to design, so you can design your own sales funnels and you can sell them a different marketplace. Go High Level have their own marketplace, and also there is a lot of other marketplace where you can go and sell your funnel design, and you can even make your own marketplace as well. As I told you, there is no competition right now, so you can easily sell them all your websites, your funnels, and your other stuff as well related Go High Level. Even you can make your complete snapshots and sell them. In the next video I will show you how you can make snapshot and sell them. Fourth method is you can make money with training and consulting. There are a lot of business, they don't know how to manage their business, they don't know how to manage their reputation management system, they don't know how to manage their review. You can outreach them in a Google My Business list, and make some leads of your customer, then outreach them, and you can offer them your business to go high level, your training to go high level usage and benefit of go high levels. And also you can give them some strategies, some optimization and some consulting, how they can make money with the go high level, or how they can increase their business sales and revenue while using go high level. So you can offer them consulting and all these stuff as well. So our last method is affiliate marketing. That's a super easy, that's for a student, for every marketer. If you have any blog, if you have YouTube, if you have any social media platform where you are a good audience, even you don't have any audience, then you can sell your affiliate. They offering 40% of commissions on all packages, and here I just show you the packages. For example, someone buy $97 plan, it's a recurring commissions. You will get 40% on each every month, 40% commission on every single sale on each month, the affiliate system. And here, for example, you have affiliate and someone buy your affiliates link, 5% commission as well. It's a recurring, it's a life saving. If you are very good with the facing camera, and if you know how to write blogs, and if you know how to do some SEO stuff, then that's the best software to promote for affiliate purpose. So yeah, that's it from this video. In the next video I will show you overview of complete go high level, and I will overview of all tools and functionality, and then we will learn step by step all tools, and we will be expert in a go high level in futures, few more lectures. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any go high level services, or you're thinking you book, you want to talk to me, and you just go to leadsflex.com, book free consultation, and we will discuss about your business and your ideas. And if you buy a go high level from my affiliate link, I will provide the link. I'll just jump with you on a call, and I will set up complete go high level, and I will also white label for you, and we can sell them too. I can also share some business models, some business plan as well that I'm using for my own business. So thank you so much for watching this video.